packet. Oh, I crossed out the thing, but I'm gonna hold it pretty far because you could still kind of see it. So I'm not going to, show you that. But today I have a package that came in the mail from Amazon. So let's open it. So I didn't open it yet, as you see, because I think it's kind of hard to open. So I am pulling. It's kind of hard. The pull thing to open it. Looks like I'm gonna need to use some handy dandy scissors. Let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna go full beast mode on this. There we go. So, as you guys see in the title, you know what it is. They're macaroons. Well, not regular macaroons, but I'm gonna move you guys over here because I'm sitting on my little post right now. This is basically, hold on, sorry, I have to pull my pants up. I need a belt. That's right here is the edge of my bed. I just sit on it. Not even when I'm filming a video. So, what? Oh my gosh. The boxing is so cute. Dude. Oh my gosh. Look at them. So they're also keychains. Oh my God. This is like, it's hard. It's not squishy. It's not squishy, it's hard. God, I can't wait to open this and feel it. And by the way, oh, I did not want that to fall. I'm just gonna, put it right there. So I have the lightest yellow. Dude, oh my God. People said it's, excuse me, Amazon. I did not want it to come dirty. But I could let you off this time. Whoa, it just broke. I'm pretty sure if I can't put this back on. Oh, there we go. Like, it's not slime. It's more like a putty. But like, oh my God, dude. It's so cool. So cool. Ah! I'm gonna put lotion in this, to make it stretchy and more. Ooh, it has a scent. It smells like lotion already, but so that was the first one. I was literally like, I kept opening the door and close like the front door because they were gonna leave it on the porch. But I thought it came in a box. I thought it was gonna come in a box. But it didn't. Hold on. Ooh, sorry, I didn't want to hear. I didn't want to hear the noise in the background. I just had the camera position. I just did. There we go. Oh my God, Becky, look at this slime. Slimy. Oh my God, this thing keeps coming off. It's not broken. I think it's supposed to do that, but look. Okay, so that was that one. It kind of pisses me off when people just like, they want to show all the rest of the seven. And it's just like, it's just going to be the same. What is this? What the heck? I'm pretty sure it said it's supposed to come with stickers. So dude, where are my stickers? Oh. Well, I found two. Oh, these are just like little... Oh! These things are supposed to, Did this one pop? This one totally popped. more noise. Sorry. It looks like I'm actually gonna have to take this one out because it looks like they overflow. Oh, it was because there was a bubble. That makes sense because they really don't like touch the slime with the putty. They all feel the same. Well, not. I mean, they all feel different. Like, do you see this one doesn't break like right away? See, you could stretch it. Ah! So this one doesn't need any lotion. You thought the first one I was going to take out was purple because that's like legitimately my FAV color. If you have to stop to think about what I meant favorite color. But yeah. I'm going to pull this thing up a little. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, we don't want that swinging. Sorry. There we go. Oh my god. It feels like it's still overflowed, but it's not. But, ah! So I think the stickers are at the bottom of all of them. Yeah. Okay. Macaroons. See, these are macaroons. If you guys don't know what macaroons are, I really can't explain it. Okay. It says macaroon. Legit, what macaroons are, it's right here. I was just gonna read the whole thing, but here you go. Macaroon is a classic French dessert. The majority of people to France must go to taste. The road will make people feel happy desserts. That was interesting. But it's still, like, legit. I might bring this to Thanksgiving because I legit want to show everyone this. I might not. I just might call them and make them watch the video. I'm just kidding. That's sad. Okay. Oh, I have to put the cardboard pieces back. They're not stickers. They're cardboard pieces. I guess you can put them in and like do an ASMR for it, I guess. I don't know, but my package is here. That's all I'm worried about. So now let's open this mini package. Because I said it was a keychain. I think, yeah, you can only use one at a time. So that's something that kind of pisses me off. But you can only like hang one, because I was legit thinking about like, oh, I'm gonna hang one on my key on my bag, but I could only use one. Okay, this for 8 slimes, cute packaging. Plus, they're like hook on things for $13.99. This isn't bad. This is not sponsored BT Dubs, but so glad that I got to use this. My mom comes home, I'm gonna show her. I probably shouldn't have said that. I'm not home alone. I'm with my aunt. Okay, I should probably shut up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. I'm gonna go eat.